Hello students, the new chapter metallurgy. Metallurgy is a process of extracting metal from the ore. Ore is a concentrated substance which is obtained from the earth to get a pure metal economically and conveniently. This is the chapter introduction, what we are going to learn in this chapter. Now you can see there are three steps to get pure metal from the ore. First step is concentration of ore. Second step is extraction of crude metal from the concentrated ore. Then third, refining or purification of the crude metal. First we are going to do concentration of ore. After that we are going to do extraction of crude metal from the concentrated ore, and then we are going to do refining or purification of the metal. There are four processes in the concentration of ore, that is known as hydraulic washing, magnetic separation, froth flotation process, and leaching. We have to study leaching with respect to silver, gold, and aluminium. These are the four processes for the concentration of ore. After that we are going to learn extraction of crude metal from the concentrated ore. It is done by the two processes. First is known as roasting and calcination, and the second is either we can apply pyrometallurgy or electrometallurgy. Pyrometallurgy we have to study with reference to the iron, that is a thermodynamic principle on the basis of heat, and second is electrometallurgy with reference to aluminium and sodium, that is based on the electrochemical principle. After that we have to understand how we can do refine of these crude means raw metal. I have to how we can refine or purify this crude metal. There are certain steps like distillation, liquefaction, electrolysis, zone refining, and vapor phase refining. We can apply any one of them for purification. So dear student, this is our lesson plan, how we are going to deal in this chapter, right? Some special references we have to focus in this section. In this chapter we have to study the basic principles of these things, right? On our Zoom classes and our video classes I am going to explain all these process which are involved in the metallurgy of ore, in the extraction of pure metal from the ore. Thank you.